I got a 2024 Kia Forte, and I'm going to show you how to pull out your cabin filter if you want to service it. It's actually going to be located behind the glove box here. So we're going to need to lower the glove box. So our first step is going to be disconnect this right here. This is the glove box damper. All you have to do is grab it with your thumb and pull it and disconnect it. We'll just move it out of the way like that. Now we need to remove these glove box stoppers. Just turn them counterclockwise. Move the glove box up a little bit, you can pull them right out. Do 2 of them. And the glove box door come down. And I'll give you access to this other door here. So to take this other door off, squeeze this clip together. Squeeze this clip together. Here's our cabin filter here. Notice right here where it says airflow, it's pointing down. Let's check the condition of this guy here. This one's not too great. It still has some, probably a little bit of life left on it. You can go probably like one more oil change. I will recommend to my customer because you can see how brown it is. It does have some stuff in it. When you get your new one, you need to slide the new one on like this. And remember the airflow direction. If you need a filter, there'll be a link in the description box. It takes you to Amazon. There's a link in the comment box also. It takes you to Amazon when you get a premium filter. Premium filters have charcoal embedded in them, so they're a little better at controlling odor in your car, okay? Keep the odors down. Just snap the door back on, and then get your glove box, and just put your stoppers back in. You can see how they're made. Put them in here, give it a clockwise turn. Get your damper over here, snap it back on. Another stopper here, turn it in here, click. You're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, leaving a like, drop me a comment if you could. Thanks for watching the video.